Getting close-up shots of wildlife without disturbing them seems impossible with most action cameras. You need to move closer, which often scares them away. But what if you could zoom in while recording without losing any quality? Or capture clear videos even when the sun goes down? These were common problems for action camera users. Now there's a solution. The Insta360 AcePro 2 and GoPro HERO 13 Black bring different approaches to solving these challenges. Let's compare these two cameras to help you choose the right one for your adventures. Each has its own strengths, and knowing them will make your decision easier. When choosing an action camera, the first thing you'll notice is how it feels in your hands. The AcePro 2 is noticeably larger and wider than the HERO 13 Black. This size difference becomes important when you're planning to mount the camera on your helmet or in tight spaces. For activities that require a less noticeable camera setup, the HERO 13's slim design proves more practical, letting you focus on your adventure rather than adjusting the camera. The screen setup plays a vital role in how you'll use these cameras. The HERO 13 features a front LCD screen that serves as your live monitor, particularly helpful when you're recording yourself. You can see your framing without guessing if you're in the shot. The AcePro 2 takes a different route with its rear flip-up screen. While this works for self-recording, you won't have that immediate front view the HERO 13 provides. This difference matters most when you're creating content alone. The mounting systems on these cameras show their distinct approaches to versatility. You'll find magnetic mounting holes on the AcePro 2, making it quick to attach and detach. No more fumbling with screws when you need to move quickly between shots. The HERO 13 sticks to a more traditional system with folding fingers and a 1x4-inch thread. While this means more setup time, it works with a wider range of accessories you might already own. Speaking of getting the perfect shot, let's talk about what these cameras can capture. The HERO 13 records an impressive 5.3K resolution, giving you clear, detailed footage of your adventures, whereas the AcePro 2 pushes this further with 8K capability. This higher resolution becomes valuable when you want to crop your footage later or focus on specific details without losing quality. Think about recording a mountain bike trail. You could zoom in on a particular jump or trick while maintaining crystal clear quality. The way these cameras handle lighting shows their different strengths. The HERO 13 tends to make the footage look brighter straight out of the camera, which works well for quick sharing. However, the AcePro 2 captures more detail in both bright and dark areas of your scene. This becomes crucial when you're moving between sunlight and shadows, like when you're trail running through a forest or skiing between trees. In low-light situations, the differences become even more apparent. The AcePro 2 maintains better brightness and color accuracy when the sun sets or when you're recording indoors. Your evening adventures won't be lost to grainy footage or muddy colors. The HERO 13 faces more challenges in these conditions, so consider this if nighttime recording is part of your plans. While both cameras excel at basic recording, their special features set them apart. The AcePro 2's 4K clarity zoom lets you get closer to distant subjects without moving, perfect for wildlife videos or capturing details from a safe distance. The HERO 13's 1.4x zoom, while useful, needs to be set before you start recording, limiting your flexibility during the shot. When it comes to handling challenging lighting, both cameras offer HDR capabilities. The AcePro 2 proves particularly good at keeping faces clear even with bright backlighting, helpful for vlogging or interviews outdoors. Adding to its versatility, the gesture control feature lets you start or stop recording with simple hand movements, useful when you're in the middle of an activity and can't reach the camera. Getting clear sound can be just as important as clear video. The AcePro 2 addresses this with its removable wind protector and various audio modes. Whether you're recording your voice or capturing ambient sounds, these features help ensure your audio remains clear. The HERO 13's wind reduction works too, but struggles more in stronger winds. This difference becomes noticeable when you're recording high-action outdoor activities. Moving on to power management, both cameras offer reliable performance. The Hero 13's 1900 mAh battery edges slightly ahead of the Ace Pro 2's 1800 mAh capacity. However, the Ace Pro 2 balances this with its endurance mode, helping you record longer when needed. The real advantage comes in charging speed. The Ace Pro 2 reaches 80% charge in just 18 minutes, getting you back to recording sooner. The interface design affects how quickly you can start capturing your moments. If you're new to action cameras, the Ace Pro 2's menu system feels more welcoming and straightforward. Every feature is easy to find and understand, while the Hero 13's interface works efficiently. Especially for those familiar with GoPro cameras, it might take more time to learn all its features. When it comes to price, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is positioned at a higher price point compared to the GoPro HERO 13 Black. The Ace Pro 2 justifies its price with cutting-edge features like 8K resolution, dynamic zoom and gesture control, alongside its superior low-light performance. However, the GoPro HERO 13 Black might be more appealing to those on a tighter budget, or those who already feel comfortable with the GoPro ecosystem. While both cameras offer excellent value, the decision will largely depend on whether you prioritize high-end features or affordability. In the end, choosing between the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and the GoPro HERO 13 Black comes down to your specific needs. If you're looking for cutting-edge tech, superior low-light performance, and a beginner-friendly interface, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is the clear winner. However, if you're a seasoned GoPro user who prefers the familiar interface and doesn't need 8K resolution, the GoPro HERO 13 Black will suit your needs perfectly. Ultimately, both cameras excel in different areas, making either one a great choice depending on your priorities, whether it's high image quality, ease of use, or specialized features. So that's all about the Ace Pro 2 and Hero 13 Black. Do let us know what you think about these cameras. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.
Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today.